Ideally, so you want to get rid of the dryness of your hair on the ends and not to feel so greasy on the root area as well. Sometimes what happens is with the products that we may use is that it could be a little bit heavy for your hair. So that's why it goes greasy quite quickly. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to do a Kevin Murphy experience at the backwash. And with our brand, we take the inspiration, and it's like inspiration from skincare. So it's like skincare philosophy. So I'm sure you understand how to exfoliate, cleanse and moisturize. It's the same sort of ethos that we use on the hair. So we're going to use Maxi as your exfoliator, which will help to remove any product buildup and prepare your hair for the shampoo and conditioner. And then, because earlier you were saying as well that you want your hair ideally to be fuller and more bouncier, like you know, to have lots of volume, because your hair is a lot more finer as well. I'm going to use Angel Wash. I'm going to use the Angel regime, the volumizing regime, and what that will do is it gives you a lot more volume and a lot more body to it as well. And what that will help to do is help to fatten it up a little bit as well. Okay?
I'm excited.
Cool. Okay, so the first product I'm going to put on is Maxi Wash, which is like your exfoliator. So like your exfoliator on your skin, you don't rub it in hard, you just massage it in. So I'm just going to massage it from the roots to the tips. This is the first tip. So you'd wet your hair down, apply the Maxi on, and then you just take a little bit of a section. Okay. Take section, and then you just massage it from the roots to the tips down. Because the cuticle, the top layer of your hair, sits more flat. So this will buff away any dry ends that you may have, or split ends, and it buffs away any dryness that's on there and smooths the hair down. So it'll be good for you for your ends as well. And then I always get asked, so how does the scalp get cleaned? So once you put the product on the scalp, it sort of like gently exfoliates it by itself, because you're sort of massaging it from roots to tips, and it just gently exfoliates it so it's not so aggressive on the scalp, and removes any excess oils that aren't needed and any product buildup, but leaves the scalp the oils that it does need. So what I'm going to do is use Angel Wash, which is our volumizing shampoo. Now I'm just going to use the conditioner. Feel your hair now while it's wet.
I like it.
Yeah, does it feel like your hair?
Yes.
It feels like new hair?
Yes.
Can you see the difference?
أول مرة هي عملت لك الماكسي واش اللي هو هذا، بيجي أول مرة كرمال غسل الشعر ويعطيكي بيفتح لك مسام الشعر وبينظف لك فروة الراس إذا فيها شوية دهن أو إذا فيها شوية قشرة. هذه أول مرحلة. بعدين نقت لك الأنجل واش ليعطيكي فوليوم. بعد عملت لك هي شوية تشمر شاي، سبراي شاي على الشعر كرمال يعطيكي لمعة بعد زيادة. واستخدمت لك في الأخير الدو أوفر هذا دراي باودر بنحطه هيك على أطراف الشعر ليعطيكي فوليوم زيادة.